Good morning, class. This is your science period. I welcome you all for your e-learning class. Today we will do the chapter Animals Inside Questions. Children, you have done all the question answers and the back exercise of this chapter already you have completed. In this video, uh, I just revised the objective question of this chapter, that is A, B, C, because I have seen some of you are not able to do these questions correctly. So, answer of these questions of A, B, C, I am giving you, and if you have any confusion regarding this, you can correct your answer in your notebook or in your book. This is the ABC. First is the fill in the blanks, then match the following, then tick the correct option. You have already done these, but just I am revising this. Now you can see in your book the first is fill in the blanks and the number 1 answer is 4, second is high, third is snow, fourth is fresh, fifth humans, and sixth one is land. These are the answers of fill in the blanks exercise number A. And the next one is match the following. Question number B. Dog. People often keep it as a pet. Camel can live without water for many days. Snake crawls on the ground. Toad lives both on land and in water. Polar bear has thick fur on its body. And the last one is choose the correct option. Answer 1 is camel, then penguin, snake, fur, and the last one is rabbit. This is just for revision, children. A, B, C. And now come to the define the terms. Define the terms or short notes from this chapter. I am giving you this as a homework, children. The first one is land animals. Animals living on land are called land animals. They are also known as terrestrial animal. For example, dog, lion, etc. And the second one is habitat. A place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Third one, aquatic animals. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. For example, whale, shark, etc. These are your define the terms and you have to note down this in your science fair notebook. Now children, come to the answer in one word from this chapter. I am reading the questions and answer also. This is also your homework, children. The first one, animals living in water are called aquatic animals. A place where animal lives, habitat. Paddle-like organ for swimming, flippers. Small hollow areas under the earth, burrow. Animals living on land are called terrestrial animals. And then question number 6. An animal having thick fur to tolerate cold, polar bear. An example of freshwater animal, trout. An example of salty water animal, shark. And animals having webbed feet, answer is frog. And the last one, number 10, animal that can live without water for many days, answer is given is camel. This is your home assignment. It means You have to do define the terms and answer in one word in your fair notebook. This is your homework, children. And now come to the your classwork today. You have to do classwork A and B. A is name this. Two animals living in forest. You have to write the name of two animals, example of two animals living in forest. Second one, two animals living in cold region. Two aquatic animals. You can write any aquatic animals, any two aquatic animals. Question number 4, an animal which is considered to be very intelligent animal. You have read that an animal which easily learn to perform tricks. You have to name the animal. And the last one, an animal known as sheep of desert. In question number 4 and 5, you have to write the name of one animal only. This is part A, and the part B is draw picture of dolphin. You have to draw the picture of dolphin. This is your classwork, children. And now one important notice. Tomorrow there will be a class test. This is just a revision test, children. After the completion of chapter number 5, I want to take test, and the portion is chapter number 5, animals. This chapter only. And what you have to do, you have to just read the lesson twice. Okay? And I am giving you time 35 minutes only. Now this chapter is completed, children. Hope you all note down all the work of this chapter. Children, nowadays this is the way to join with you. Don't waste your time. See the video twice. We are providing everything to you. So be serious. If you have any problem, you can call me. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.